The Chaka Palace project is a significant undertaking by the Ethiopian government, representing one of the most ambitious and expensive public infrastructure projects in the country's history. With a total projected cost of approximately $10 billion for the palace itself, the project centers on the construction of a new national palace in the capital city, Addis Ababa. This palace is designed to serve as a symbol of modern governance and Ethiopia's aspirations on the global stage. A detailed breakdown of the project. 1. Location and scope. The Chaka Project will be built on 503 hectares of land at Yeka Hill, located in the Yeka subcity of Addis Ababa. The scale of this development is massive, as it touches 5 administrative areas, wardas, within the city. This area is intended to house a wide range of facilities, including administrative halls, residential units, 3 artificial lakes, and road networks. The Ethiopian Roads Administration has already started working on a 20-kilometer road system to serve the palace complex. Of this, 9 kilometers are reportedly complete, and the total cost of the road infrastructure alone is estimated to be 15 billion birr, approximately $275 million. 2. Key features. The new palace complex will not only serve as a governmental seat but will also be a significant cultural and historical site. Some of the project's main features include 3 artificial lakes that will add to the aesthetics of the complex, the construction of various governmental and cultural halls that will serve both ceremonial and administrative purposes, residential units likely meant for top officials or dignitaries, and extensive landscaping and green spaces around the palace. 3. Financial and strategic backing. The United Arab Emirates, UAE, is providing significant financial support for the project. Ethiopia and the UAE have developed stronger diplomatic and economic ties in recent years, with the UAE also being a key supporter of other infrastructure developments in Ethiopia. 4. Displacement and social concerns. One of the more contentious aspects of the Chaka project is the displacement of thousands of residents who currently live in the area designated for the palace. While the government has promised to allow some residents to develop their properties if they meet the required standards, this has raised concerns about the social impact of such a large-scale displacement. Critics have pointed out that Ethiopia is facing significant challenges related to poverty, internal conflict, and food insecurity, and that the funds could be better directed toward addressing these immediate issues. 5. Criticism and public debate. The project has not been without controversy. Detractors argue that Ethiopia, a country still recovering from internal conflict and economic hardship, could use the $10 billion more effectively for poverty alleviation, infrastructure development, or social services. Many have criticized Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed's administration for prioritizing expensive vanity projects while many Ethiopians face severe economic difficulties. Moreover, the palace construction is part of a broader trend under Prime Minister Abiy's administration of investing in large-scale national projects, such as Unity Park, which cost 5 billion birr, $1 billion, Meskel Square, renovated at 2.5 billion birr, $0.5 billion, and the Addis Ababa Riverside Green Development, with a total cost of 29 billion birr, $6 billion. 6. Cultural and historical significance. Part of the Chaka project involves repurposing existing historical buildings. For example, Menelik Palace, which is currently the residence and office of the Prime Minister, is being converted into a national museum as part of the plan. This demonstrates the government's intention to intertwine the new development with Ethiopia's rich historical and cultural heritage. 7. Long-term vision. The Chaka project is part of Ethiopia's 10-year perspective plan, which aims to elevate the country's infrastructure, governance, and tourism potential. The palace is envisioned to stand as a symbol of the new Ethiopia, modern, ambitious, and globally engaged. Here are some of the potential economic advantages that the project could bring. 1. Tourism development. One of the most immediate and tangible benefits of the Chaka project is its potential to enhance Ethiopia's tourism sector. The project is expected to include facilities that promote national pride and cultural heritage. 2. Job creation. The construction phase of the Chaka project alone is expected to generate a large number of jobs in both skilled and unskilled labor categories. Workers from the construction, design, and engineering sectors will be employed throughout the duration of the project. Once completed, the palace complex will also need ongoing maintenance, management, and operational staff. The project's long-term operation could thus support employment across several sectors. 3. Urban development and infrastructure improvement. The development of a 20-kilometer road network and other infrastructure improvements surrounding the palace will likely benefit Addis Abeba's urban landscape. The project is part of a broader initiative to modernize the city's infrastructure, improving access to the Yeka sub-city. Roads, utilities, and public services in the area will be enhanced as a result of the Chaka project, which could have broader economic benefits. 4. Attracting foreign investment. The Chaka project has attracted international interest, particularly from the United Arab Emirates, UAE, which has pledged to contribute a portion of the budget. This partnership sets a precedent for future foreign investments in Ethiopia's infrastructure and tourism sectors. The project's success could encourage other countries and multinational corporations to invest in Ethiopia, especially in sectors like real estate, infrastructure development, and tourism. 5. Cultural and diplomatic significance. As a national symbol, the new palace will serve as a hub for diplomatic events, state functions, and cultural activities. This could enhance Ethiopia's standing on the global stage, hosting international leaders and important summits. The ability to host high-profile diplomatic events could boost foreign relations and position Ethiopia as a key player in African and global diplomacy. 6. Boost to the construction sector. Ethiopia's construction industry will benefit significantly from the scale and complexity of the Chaka project. Not only will large construction firms be involved, but smaller businesses, suppliers, and contractors will also gain. These companies will supply raw materials, construction equipment, and support services. The project can help develop local expertise in large-scale construction and infrastructure projects, providing skills and knowledge that can be applied to future projects. 7. Long-term economic growth. While the initial investment is substantial, the Chaka project could generate significant long-term returns through increased tourism, job creation, and foreign investments. The improved infrastructure will enhance the overall efficiency of Addis Abeba's economy, making it more attractive for businesses and foreign investors. The palace and its surrounding infrastructure could become a nucleus for future urban and economic development, laying the groundwork for sustained growth. In conclusion, although the Chaka project is a controversial and costly initiative, it has the potential to deliver substantial long-term economic benefits. Through tourism, job creation, infrastructure improvement, and foreign investment, the project could significantly enhance Ethiopia's economic standing and contribute to its long-term development strategy. Like, share, subscribe for more tips and inspiration. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.